What?
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Jesus is Lord! Hey!
Both of you are here for the job, right?
Yes, sir.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yo, see,
What type of place? God have mercy upon us.
Hii imeenda kabisa.
Jesus is Lord!
I don't have any money and I feel sick.
Sina tangu jana sijakula kitu,
Failure. Timini hansa.
Ni rongorende na mimi ni rongorende.
Continue. No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are.
This man!
Amka ndo fanya kazi.
Ni nini ladies? You this dog.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
unajua anacheka kwa nini? Hii ni maajabu.
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make it. You can never make it. You're supposed to be a dinner man, serving dinner to the students in the secondary school. Because you cannot do basic 1+1. You are here breathing heavy like a dog. Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Nataka muniombe. I'm going through a lot of problems.
And here we go, round one. Kyle and the shovel squaring off here. You can see the shovel is very quick. And Kyle is showing some very good head movement here in the stand-up game. Now throwing a low leg kick and dodges that nice overhand right by the shovel. And now the shovel, oh man, and another big left. And now the big haymaker that lands into the dome of...
What are you saying? What is he saying?